What is up, guys, and how are all of you doing today? So in this video, we are going to be showcasing to you the most in-demand car in the Philippine market for the past year or two, and it is the LC300. So here at the shop, we have both the LC300 in black and in white, both of which will be undergoing a major makeover, and we will run you through both of these builds. Hey guys, so we finally have the finished product for both of these LC300s. So I will run you through the build and what we've done to both of these cars. So starting with this black LC300, we did the full Wald black bison body kit. So this is the wide body version. So it has these extended arches front and rear. So starting here at the front, we swapped up the grille, and it also has a front apron with this running LED lights. And then moving it onto the side, as mentioned earlier, it has these extended arches, which is about 3 inches wider on each side. And we also fitted the 22-inch Wald forged wheels. The car looks a lot more aggressive since it seems like it's sitting lower with this front apron, and it is definitely much wider compared to the standard body. And then moving to the back, things get a bit more aggressive in here. So at the top, we have this roof spoiler, and then we also have a trunk spoiler in the middle. And then at the bottom, we have this whole rear diffuser with the fins, making it a lot sportier. And it also has the brake light by the middle. And then to keep like an OEM finish, the kit also has these chrome finishes, as well as on the arches, to make sure that the chrome accents runs throughout the car. So moving on to the wheels, the car has 22-inch forged Wald wheels. So as you can see, both front and rear is very concave since the wheel is for the wide body kit. So these wheels don't have any spacers fitted on them. And if you're wondering, we also have the same design for the wheels for the non-wide body kit. So feel free to DM us for any wheel designs for your LC300. So this is it for this Wald body kit. Let us now move to the white LC300 with the Modellista. So this white LC300 has the Modellista Dubai kit. So with this kit, it doesn't have as many components as the Wald. So starting with the front, we added this front apron. Unlike the Modellista Japan, this kit doesn't have any chrome accents, but for me, it looks a lot more aggressive. Here at the side, the car is also equipped with T37s, and as well as a BBK from AP Racing. For the kit, we didn't add anything at the side. It just retains the stock look with a narrow body. And then at the rear, so here at the rear, it also comes with this rear diffuser with an exhaust cutout by the side. And we had to paint match the whole body kit so that we could retain that OEM look. So yeah, this is a very famous and simple kit for the LC300. We just wanted to showcase to you both of these builds to help you guys envision the builds you want for your LC300. So that is all for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and feel free to DM us for any of your LC300 needs, whether it's wheels, body kits, springs, brakes, whatever you could think of, since we have lots of sets on hand. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated with our latest posts or uploads, and see you guys on the next video.